today we're painting. I've got Ella here as my assistant.
Hey.
She disappeared, she's back.
Sorry,
And oh yeah, get your apron on. It's team red. You can only wear red in paint here. And this is the wall, and we just started masking up a few bits and bobs. And yeah, it's gonna be fine.
I feel like we're on changing rooms, but I'm not the expert at that. But I want to be.
You've got great hair like him.
Oh, I've got a mullet going on.
Well, okay, in 60 minutes this has got to be finished.
Fast forward.
It's definitely not gonna, it's gonna be longer.
Move the thing first.
Yeah, I do.
To me, to you.
Right, last one, and then we can paint.
Are we painting now? Yeah?
Yeah, let's get a coat on and then go for food.
I'm just wondering.
Yeah, you need to paint that.
That
Yeah.
Okay. Unless you want to start that side with the colour.
I was going to say, because if we just, yeah, do you think?
Yeah, I'm going to have to lift that though, aren't I?
They're doing quite well, really. How did you know I was filming you?
Sensor. That's that bit done.
I'm going here.
I was going to go there.
Where?
Is that the next one?
Pink.
Down there. I should be able to paint over the top left for now. Do you think?
You can't do that one because
Is it one with the line?
it's, yeah.
Okay.
Also, that isn't dry.
So maybe green next?
Yeah.
I wish I was taller.
I know, that would come in handy right now. What's that song that you're singing? I feel like it's like,
Blazing.
yeah, it is. I was like, hang on a minute, surely not.
I used to love Blazing before.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well, who was your fave?
I don't know.
We should have had signs saying, warning, women painting. It's just colouring in, you love colouring in. Pink reminds me of salmon, which is food. I'm really hungry. We're having a bit of a food break.
Yeah, I'm dying for food.
Painting is very... You're dying. We can't talk, we don't know what's going on, and it's the paint fumes are in us.
I hate my hair.
Here's a wall.
This is a wall.
This is how close to the ceiling we've been all day. Ella's been an absolute champ.
I don't have a license, it's fine.
She's an artist, don't you know? She's a professional.
It's like the Starbucks thing.
Yeah. Team Red. Yeah, although did run out of masking tape, so
yeah,
it's not finished. But yeah.
Well done you. I've left it massive.
Almost there, almost there.
Tune in.
Next time on the Wall Adventures. This is what you wanted, and this is what you got.
Is it recording? Yeah. Oh, I'm just like.
Just for the lols. It's day 2 of painting, and as you can see, we're nearly done. Just 2 panels left to paint, a blue and a coral. Ella's just washing the paintbrushes. I'm just about to do the blue, and we're having a few issues with the wall falling to pieces, even though we've now got the right tape. Ella's putting the last colour on. Why am I singing? Just so happy. So happy that it's almost all come together.
Actually, it's drying. I should have just known. I should have just tested.
Yeah, but even like once you've got it on there, it's still when you do like.
And the thing is, you can't go over the top, it's just wetter.
Yeah, you just have to go with it. It's fine, we'll pretend.
The moral of the story is, don't do anything on your own.
No. Moral of the story is gloss shouldn't be bought ever.
Would you be able to help me move the umbrella?
Yeah, let's move the umbrella. Yeah, let's move it.
Oh, just put me down.
Okay. Watch the balloon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Move it this way more.
Give it.
Woo! More.
I go downstairs.
Hi! Right, I might do the Some touch-ups.
Okay. There's tiny brushes on there.
Look how beautiful this line is. No pressure. Oh hey, just the final touches. Oh, it does look very girly on camera.
Good.
Girl power. Gotta sign that work. Sun, look, it looks like the sun's coming out of your head. Oh, it's good, it looks really good. Ella, can you please be a bit more enthusiastic?
I am. Really enthusiastic.
Look what we did. I think I've just ground it down. It's too much paint fumes.